In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online. If you want a fast way to capture spending and keep your books tidy, this process is quick and straightforward. All you need is a clear image or PDF of your receipt saved on your computer. Once you're in your QuickBooks Online company, look at the left panel and click Accounting. That opens the Accounting workspace. Next, find and open the Receipts tab. This is where QuickBooks collects and processes your receipt files. On this page, you'll see a large upload area that invites you to drag and drop your receipt. Locate the file on your computer, then click and hold it. Drag it over that upload field and drop it in. A few tips here. Make sure your receipt photo is sharp, well lit, and shows the entire document. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and PDF work well. If the receipt is crumpled or cut off, take a moment to rescan or rephotograph it so the details are easy to read. After you drop the file, give QuickBooks a moment. Their built-in AI will scan the image and automatically fill out key fields for you. It typically recognizes the vendor, the date, the total amount, and, when visible, taxes. This saves time and reduces manual data entry. When the scan is done, open the field editor to review what the AI captured. Think of this as your quality check. Make sure the vendor name matches the receipt, the transaction date is correct, and the total includes any taxes or fees printed on the document. If something looks off, maybe a 6 was read as an 8, simply click into that field and fix it. Double check that the currency and any decimals are right, and verify that the receipt image is attached and readable for your records. If your receipt is faded, scribbled on, or has multiple totals, compare carefully against the image to confirm the correct numbers. Consistent, clear file names can also help you find receipts later, though the image will stay linked here. And there you go. By clicking Accounting, opening the Receipts tab, dragging in your file, letting the AI populate the details, and confirming everything in the field editor, you've uploaded your receipt and kept your books accurate with minimal effort. That's all for this walkthrough. Nice and simple and a big time saver. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.